Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to use eBay seller tools. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then enter selling section located at the bottom side of your screen and open all your listings, and here at the top you will see quick access to tools like active listings, orders and unsold, and this is your core selling tools. So active listings, this is your current listings. Here you can edit prices, update photos for your listings, revise descriptions, or end a listing early if it's needed. Orders section is responsible for tracking which items have sold and need to be shipped. You can mark them as shipped and upload tracking numbers right from here. And unsold section, this is basically the section where you can see the items that are unsold. If you want to run promotions or adjust pricing strategies, you need to look for marketing tools. As you can see, I don't have that right here, so let's go to browser and search for Seller Hub eBay. Open this official website of eBay and go to more. Here you can see the section more and open marketing section. So here you will see some options of promotions. So this is coupon, order discount, sale event, shipping discount, or volume pricing. So this is another important tool of the seller. And also you can go to overview, and here should be performance. Okay, here this is basically your performance. So this is your sales for the last 31 days. And also going back, scrolling down, you can see feedback section, so you can check your feedback here. And here in the Seller Hub, you can see some other powerful tools for sellers. So that's basically how you can use eBay seller tools. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.